squads in here walking around the party, a cross between a zombie apocalypse and a Bobby Dub. Renina, which is probably the same reason I wrestle with mania shadies in this bitch and posse up. Consider it to be crossing. On they know. Yeah. Hydroxycut. Gosh, shit. And an AA with an AK militated. Second like a play day, better vacate retreat like a vacate mayday. This beat is cray cray Ray J. HA, living all the way to the bank. I spray flames that cannot tame or placate the. I'ma feed you to the monster. When the moon shines like ice road truckers, I look like a villain out of those. It's blockbuster. Godzilla, fire spitter monster, blood on the dance floor. And Louis V, fire. Fire monster, blood on the dance floor. I'm just a product of Slick Rick and Onyx. Told him lick the balls and I'm just appalled at so many things that pissed him off. It's impossible to list them all in the midst of this. But with the crystal ball, more respiratory voices respect. Ah, makes me angry all. Pretty good though, doll.